then wait till it's like right here,
Where's
and then chuck it and hope it
goes
goes that way.
Huh?
And hope that they go that
I
way.
don't understand what they do.
You sure it's okay to
They're
hold
little
it?
rockets. They're bottle rockets.
Fashion cut?
I even saw on YouTube or somewhere how people push them in their asses and they fly.
Alright, we can do that now.
Any volunteers?
Dude, we
Sasha?
have butts and we have bottle rockets. It's great.
Is it just like a freaking sparkler?
No, it shoots off.
If so, I'm lamed out.
Oh, fuck.
You deaf in your right, left ear.
That's funny.
See, that's my pie.
That's why you have to toss it. Toss it. But make sure it's pointing that way.
That's not waking up any of our neighbours.
Кому-то on the head. You killed someone. Oh, broke the car.
Poor cat.
The cars are okay. How do you feel? Scared?
I feel like a little vandal. This is what we used to do at fireworks
A
night.
few words for
This is when we used to blow up people's letterboxes. We blew up our librarian's letterbox in school. It was very bad.
Don't put, I'm sure there's expensive cars down there.
Yeah, elite cars. Oh, Sasha's elite yacht. He's just right over there.
He's a man with yacht and not.
Somebody over there is going to come out all pissed off in like a second. Failure, dude.
That didn't bang.
It didn't do anything.
You were blue. Oh, no.
Can you give me?
Ow.
Champagne.
I just choked myself.
Yeah, actually,
I'm going so early this time, you pussy.
Come on.
But it hit the car.
Yes, it did. And then exploded into Kazim's place.
Fuck, our neighbours hate us, man. But like, we're totally like all the idiots in our neighbourhood. And Jono.
I'm here.
I love Sasha just fucking holds it.
Oh, you've set off a car alarm now. Fuck, there's a man down there.
Maybe he set it off.
I think he climbs walls like Spider-Man.
Do you think he wants to be part of Men with Ben?
Dude, we discovered Susie's like problem.
She loves vandalism.
Yes. Dude, what's up with them not exploding? And what's up with that lotto over there? Just like deciding it has a car.
Sasha constructing does it have nuts?
Oh no! It's gonna set fire.
Sash. What? Okay, why? Explain.
Tie a knot to it. Oh, he's got sticky tape on
How
it.
is it gonna help it fly?
I don't know.
It's just...
It should fly.
It's a noble venture. Should we tie a knot?
No, не надо.
No, you did not.
Tell you what, it smells lovely and perfumey like toilet paper.
Yeah, I didn't mean to buy you gotta pull that shit out, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. Just burn the stick through. Sash.
Oh,
Oh, that's so
doing
weird.
it.
You'd like to float.
How come yours are the only ones that
Because they have to stick in the snow and they fly. They should fly.
Your hand's like snow.
No,
Fingernails.
incredibly successfully.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, look at this.
Dude, we're gonna get so yelled at very shortly.
It's broken.
Is it past midnight?
Yes. Lauren's birthday. Of course, past midnight.
Ah.
So it's like probably about 1.
Such a little grommet.
Oh,
Oh,
Ah,
shit
that's
fell out of
good.
it. I'll put it back in. Can we modify it?
Can we double it?
Maybe in a bow?
Attach a sock to it, see what happens.
That's one of Jono's socks. I stole them anyway.
Oh, this is gonna end badly.
That blew up on like
Yes.
the front of floor
Toilet
13.
paper.
Sash, you already have toilet paper.
Oh, one more.
Champagne.
We're such the fucking...
We are the thugs, dude. How did these nice, like, foreign kids turn into the thugs?
I'm so drunk. No idea.
Oh, we already have toilet paper. Like,
Ooh, I don't remember running with 2 meters of toilet paper behind me. In a beautiful zoom.
poems are good. They're constructive.
Well, happy birthday, Lauren.
Yeah,
I love
welcome
you
to
guys.
vandalism in honor of you.
Seriously, the best birthday ever. We got car
Let's go
alarms.
tag up some cars.
Right.
I'll get cannons.
Right. I mean, the stopped ones. Why not?
We're gonna take
Oh, I'm
some
scared.
pictures of chrome.
We can cry with cans. We have cans. We have bags.
We have can. You call them can bags.
The highest birthday ever. Susie tries to explain paint all around her mouth tomorrow.